Hello everyone, we're back. I'm back. So good morning, my dear students and parents. For today's video, ang i-discuss naman natin ngayon ay illustrating and simplifying rational algebraic expressions. What do we mean by rational algebraic expression? When we talk about rational algebraic expression, it is a ratio of two polynomials wherein the denominator is not equal to 0. Meaning, the ratio of two polynomials wherein Q or the denominator is not equal to 0. Kasi pag equal to 0 ang denominator natin, it is undefined. So, what do we mean again by polynomial? Ano bang ibig sabihin ng polynomial? Paano natin ma-identify? Kasi sabi daan, 2 ratio of two polynomials. Ibig sabihin, this is a polynomial, this is a polynomial. So, ano ba yung mga palatandaan na ang given ay polynomial? So, una nating dapat tandaan, an expression is a polynomial if it has a positive integral exponent. Ibig sabihin, yung exponent niya ay positive at hindi nagko-contain ng variable. Next one is, it has no variable inside the radical sign, whether nasa numerator siya or denominator. So, dapat walang variable sa loob ng radical sign. Naintindihan? So, let us analyze kung ang given ba ay irrational algebraic expression or not. Okay, so we have here first two examples. So, let us analyze if this is irrational algebraic expression or not. So, ano ba sila? Rational algebraic expression or hindi? Okay, they are both rational algebraic expression. Why? Wala naman ditong negative na exponent. Wala din na variable na nasa loob ng radical sign. So, meaning to say, this is a polynomial. Well, this one, ang exponent niya naman ay positive and real number, walang variable. So, this is also a polynomial. How about this another two examples? Okay, let us first have this example. Ito ba ay rational or not? Yung nasa taas niya, polynomial. Yung nasa baba niya, meron tayong negative exponent. So, therefore, this is a non-polynomial. So, meaning to say, this is not a rational algebraic expression kasi dapat polynomial. This one, ang exponent niya ay containing variable at meron variable sa loob ng radical sign. Itong radical sign natin, meaning to say, this is a non-polynomial, this is not a rational algebraic expression. So, I think, alam nyo na ngayon kung paano mag-identify ng rational algebraic expression sa hindi rational algebraic expression. And pag naglagay din kayo na not rational algebraic expression, so, yung reason nyo, it's either meron kayong nakitang negative exponent or meron kayong nakitang variable sa loob ng radical sign. So, yun yung mga irarason nyo kung bakit hindi siya rational algebraic expression. So, let us also discuss on how to transform verbal phrases to mathematical phrases. Halimbawa, I am going to give you two examples only. Okay. So, say for instance, you have 6 divided by the product of x and y. How are you going to write it in mathematical phrase? So, we are going to think of 6 divided by the product When we talk about product, meaning to say multiplication, so meaning to say x times y, the product of x and y. So ganyan lang ang pag-transform ng verbal phrase to mathematical phrase. Halimbawa, another example. Say for instance, you have the ratio of twice the square of m, the ratio of twice the square of m, and 10 times the number m. So, ang pinag-uusapan natin is ratio. Pag sinabi natin ratio, we are talking about division. Yung kanina, di ba, sa definition. So, pwede mo natin isulat na the ratio of twice, pag sinabing twice, 2, the square of m, ibig sabihin yung m naka-square, ratio of, and 10 times number m. So, 10 times number m. So, no need to write the times. This is considered as times. So, ganyan lang. So, let us now proceed on simplifying rational algebraic expression. Paano ba mag-simplify? When we said simplify, meaning to say, make it simple. Kasi meron tayong mga given na complicated rational algebraic expression na kung saan gagawin nating simplified form or into simplest form. So, paano natin siya gagawin? We have 3 steps in simplifying rational algebraic expression. So, first, we're going to factor both the numerator and denominator. Next, number 2, we are now going to divide the numerator and denominator by the greatest common factor. And the last step, multiply the remaining factor, and their product is the rational algebraic expression in simplest form. So let us have another example para mas malinaw sa inyo. So example din natin simula sa medyo basic, pahirap ng pahirap. Kasi itong simplifying, meaning, yung isang komplikadong bagay, gagawin natin mas simple. Kasi meron naman talaga mga komplikadong bagay na pwede naman pasimplehin na lang. Hindi yung komplikado na, pinapakomplikado pa natin. Diba? So we have 15a squared b squared 15ab. Okay, so we have here 15a squared b squared over 15ab. So first thing to do, i-factor natin. Ang pinakamadaling gawin po ay prime factorization. Ibig sabihin, hanapin natin yung mga prime numbers na factor nung given. Pag sinabi natin prime, wala siyang ibang factor kundi 1 and the number itself. Anong mga prime factors ng 15? Pag hindi alam, factor 3. Kung hindi nyo pa rin alam, you can watch my first discussion in grade 8. So, nandoon yung factor 3. So, 15, pwedeng 3 times 5 times a raised to 2, ibig sabihin dalawang a. Then, dalawang b. So, sa denominator naman, same, 3, 5, isang a, isang b. You can just divide out the common factor. So, ibig sabihin, i-divide natin yung 3 divided by 3, that is 1, so no need to write 1. So, ikakancel na lang natin. 5a, this is b. Mali pala tayo kanina. So, this is b, b, b. So, meaning to say, the last step, multiply the remaining factor, and yung product, yun ang ating rational algebraic expression in the simplest form. So, meron tayong a times b, a, b. So, therefore, ang simplified form or simplest form ng 15a squared b squared over 15ab is ab. So, another example. Okay, factor natin yung x squared minus 25. Since negative ang ating c or the constant term, meaning to say, ang factor natin ay isang positive, isang negative. And since wala siyang linear term, meaning to say 0. So, mag-iisip ka ng factor ng 25 na pwedeng maging 0, which is 5 and 5. Why? 5 minus 5, that is 0. So, kung medyo nahihirapan pa sa pag-factor, so you can watch yung mga una nating video. So, i-check natin kung babalik dito. X squared. 5, 25. 5x, positive, negative, 5x, 5x minus 5x, kasi negative pa, si that is 0. So, yun is nakabalik. So, next. Factor 4x minus 20. So, ang goal natin, at least makahanap tayo ng factor na pares nandoon sa taas para makakancel natin. Ano ba ang factor ng 4 tsaka 20? Ano ang common factor ng 4 tsaka 20? That is, okay, 4. Yan ang common factor nila. Anong multiply mo sa 4 para maging 4x? Okay, x. Minus. Ano ang multiply mo sa 4 para maging 20? Okay, 5. Okay. So, meron tayong nakuha na medyo common factor. So, divide out the common factor. Tanggalin na natin to. So, therefore, ang ating simplified form or simplest form nito is x plus 5 over 4. So, naintindihan? So, another example. Okay, so we have here y squared plus 6xy plus 9x squared over y squared minus 9x squared. Factor natin. So, we have y squared, we have y and y. So, since all positive. So, ano ang factor ng 9 na pwedeng maging 6? That is 3 and 3. So, 3 plus 3, that is 6. 3 times 3, that is 9. So, we have 3x squared, x. So, y squared, 3x, 9x squared, 3xy, that is 6xy. Factor x. Factor ng y squared, that is y and y. Since negative, so isang positive, isang negative. So since we have here 9, ano ang factor ng 9 na pwede maging 0 kasi wala tayong middle term, that is 3 again. 3 minus 3, that is 0. So we have 3, we have x squared, we have x squared. So, divide out common factor. May nakita ba kayo? So, we have here. So, therefore, the simplified or simplest form of y squared plus 6xy plus 9x squared over y squared minus 9x squared is y plus 3x over y minus 3x. Last example. Okay, so let us have another example. Let us factor the numerator first. So we have 5s squared. So walang ibang factor ang 5, 1, and 5. So we have here 5s and s. So we have 5s squared. Since negative, therefore isang positive tsaka isang negative. So mamaya na natin yan i-place kung saan. So try muna natin yung factor ng 12 tsaka ng 5 na pag pinagsama magiging 17. So try natin 2 and 6. 2, 6. 5 times 6, that is 30. Masyado nang malayo. So try natin baliktarin 6 and 2. So kung nahihirapan kayo nito, you can rewatch or review yung factor and general trinomial nating lesson. Nandoon yung pag-factor or pagko-combine. We have 5 times 2, that is 10. 6, that is 6. 10, 6, 16. Kulang pa rin ng 17. Try natin ang 3 and 4. 3, 4. 4 times 5, that is 20. 3 times 1, that is 3. So, may possibility na yung 20 tsaka yung 3 ay maging 17. So, isang positive, isang negative. So, subtraction, meaning to say, talagang magiging 17. So, ipi-place na natin ngayon kung saan natin ilalagay yung positive tsaka negative. So, dapat, ang positive natin is yung mas mataas na numero. So, among 20 and 3, mas mataas yung 20. So, dapat siya ang positive. So, 5 times 4, 20. Ito dapat ang positive. Ito naman ang negative. So, we have now the factors of the numerators at baba naman tayo. So, 12, ang factor ng 12 ay so, we have here 5. Walang ibang factor ang 5, that is 1 and 5. But since 17 din ang gitna, so dapat magkapares yung 5 and 4. So, we have here 5s, 5 and 4. So, we have here s. Baliktad naman ngayon. Dapat ang negative ay yung mas mataas na numero, which is 20. So, 5 times 4, dapat dito ang negative. Ito naman ang positive. So, divide out common factor. We have here common factor. Ang matitir na lang, 5s minus 3, 3 minus 5s. So, itry muna natin itong ipagpalit ng posisyon. It will not affect the sign. So, magiging siyang negative 5s, positive 3. So, let us try to use the commutative property. Palitan natin lahat ng symbol sa loob nito. So, multiply siya natin ng negative. So, magiging negative, negative, positive, negative, positive, negative. So, same. So, 5s minus 3 over 5s minus 3, that is 1. So, isusulat na natin yung 1 kasi wala naman na siya ibang kasama. So, therefore, the simplified form of this is 1. So, may natutunan? May tanong pa? So, kung meron nahihirapan kayo sa pag-factor, so you can watch yung sinasabi ko sa inyong aking unang past or aking past tutorial. So, thank you so much for watching. So, I hope na may natutunan kayo. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment on our video. Thank you so much!